some Peltokorte. Got some here. Very small. See, this one is before they are blooming, so they will have some flower here. So they release all the seed away, so they will look like this. Many people don't pick it, but I think it's still quite okay to eat it. It's not so old, so it still have something juicy there. So I don't pick it. And then if you use too much of that one, this one will have too much powder, or the seed will feel like the beans. I feel it's like the beans. So I like mixing half of the flour after releasing and half of before and half of after. So this is almost, this is colder place, so they still have something. It's a place I found before, now nothing left. This is the next one when growing. Had to play with the hill.
Big place here, this bigger than in the hill.
Sure. The land in here better. Okay.
The
wood. See. There. You still have some flower there. Some spore is for the they can grow to another one. If they have this spore dropping out, and then they just move with the wind and go to the new place and have the new plant. Now the place, but people say that the way is reproduction is mainly through the root, because this plant roots can grow deep into the land to 6 to 10 feet. Ooh, very deep. That's why some people will have a lot of trouble when they want to get rid of this plant from their garden. But I think they are quite nice plant, almost in the grass. You can cut it anyway, so no trouble. And you can eat something from it, so I think it's not bad plant at all. I'm very happy I have a garden and this one. This very dry. After the spore is dropping, and then it will dry after 1 day or 2 days. So sometimes you don't need to cook this one because it's so dry. But this part is still very edible because it has a lot of water in here. So the main thing is you cook this one, and it's when eat like the vegetable style. And it will have a lot of silica, and that's the one thing for this one. And some guys say that you can eat this one for only 2 months in the year continuously, because it might drop your B1 level, vitamin B1 level in your blood. But I think I don't have it for 2 months for sure. Maximum I can collect this one for 3 weeks, and this is always my favorite one, so I will try to collect it for sure. And this process will take some time, and this is like all the guy in the internet want to remove this one, but the trouble is my stuff is always very small, so I can cook this one too. It's still edible but more rough a little bit more crunchy, and if you want to play with like, yep. And I will stir with the olive oil or the normal oil. I use the rapeseed oil because olive oil will turn bad when you turn it to the heat, and then with the rapeseed oil it handles well better with the oil, the burning oil, so I think no trouble. See the root of that one. I picked it, forgot it. Good one, the best one for the early spring.